are you doing? So today's topic is telling time in Bangla. Someone might ask you a question like,
এখন কয়টা বাজে?
so the answer would be something like, এখন 5টা বাজে.
এখন কয়টা বাজে?
এখন 10টা বাজে. So we have learned the numbers and we have also seen the position of those numbers on the clock, right? So let's practice that. একটা বাজে, 2টা বাজে, 3টা বাজে, 4টা বাজে, 5টা বাজে. So in the same way you can do all the numbers on the clock. If I want to talk about 10 minutes past 5, how do I say that? I will say 5টা 10. This is the simplest way of saying that. Or I can say 5টা বেজে 10 মিনিট. But let's learn the simple way. 5টা 10. পাঁচটা 5, পাঁচটা 20, পাঁচটা 25, and so on. But there are some times when we talk about 7:30, 6:30. How do we do that? We say 5:30টা বাজে. So that means 5টা বাজে is 5 o'clock, but half past, for half past we will just add সাড়ে. Okay, so if someone asks me কয়টা বাজে, I will say 5:30টা বাজে. In the same way 6:30টা বাজে, 7:30টা বাজে, 8:30টা বাজে, 9:30টা বাজে. Now one interesting fact. So there is always exception to something, right? So there are 2 digits on the clock, 2 numbers, for which we will have to use different wordings, 1 and 2. So when you want to say 1:30, you can't say সাড়ে একটা. People will easily understand that a foreigner is speaking, right? No native Bengali will say সাড়ে একটা. They will say দেড়টা. No native Bengali will say সাড়ে দুইটা. They will say আড়াইটা. So 1:30 is দেড়টা, 2:30 is আড়াইটা. Also, sometimes we say 4:45, 4:46. How do we say that? So for 4:45 we use the word পৌনে. পৌনে 5টা, that is 4:45. পৌনে 6টা, পৌনে 7টা. But we know in English for this 5:15 we have a specific way of saying that, right? We say 5:15. In the same way in Bangla we say সোয়া 5টা. That means 5:15. So the same way সোয়া 6টা, সোয়া 7টা, সোয়া 8টা, সোয়া 9টা, সোয়া 10টা, and so on. So that is all for today. Try to test how much you have learned, and if you have any question, then please write those questions in the comment section. And to take part in some more exercises, you can be a part of our Facebook group and Instagram group. So see you there as well. Bye.